Welcome back. It's time now for our daily question and answer feature. Moneyline has gathered a team of experts to answer all your questions on money, finance and the economy. And of course, no question is too big or too small. A question this evening came via email from Jane. She wanted to know, what is the difference between a title deed and a gift deed? Wendy Zulu, Head of Legal Risk and Compliance at FNB, took some time to answer this one for us.
A title deed is proof of ownership, proof of your title to a piece of property or land. So a gift deed could be a person who gives you a title deed as a present. But until that person who gives you a deed has actually gone to the deeds office and transferred title to you, they still remain the owner and the title holder of that property or land. So the same applies when you actually get divorced or somebody dies. Most customers actually send us a divorce certificate to say, I'm divorced from this person. Until both of you come into the bank and say to us, we are divorced, what must we do, for me? In terms of the divorce settlement, I am supposed to be getting the property. Nothing happens. So in terms of your agreement, you have to come to the bank and say to us, how do we get the property onto this person in accordance with the divorce settlement? So it's the same thing with a gift deed. The person might give it to you until they transfer the deed to you at the deeds office and it's signed by the register. It does not mean anything.
Let's see how the markets performed today. We start in the US, where markets were mixed as investors contemplated some corporate earnings results. In Europe, the markets reacted differently as investors digested news that the ECB had proposed quantitative easing of 50 billion euros per month until the end of 2016. And here at home, the JSE All-Share ended 0.94% higher today, with gains in industrials leading the upward movement. Looking at the commodities market, gold slipped earlier today to sell at just below $1,300 an ounce, and platinum edged down 0.05%, while Brent crude oil rebounded in China but still hovered around the $48 mark. The rand traded at 11 rand 52 cents against the US dollar, 17 rand and 38 cents against the British pound, and the rand to the euro exchange came in at 14 rand 41 cents. And that's it for today's edition of ENCA Moneyline. Do remember that you can send us your comments and questions via email at moneyline@enca.com or tweet us using the handle @ENCA News by hashtagging ENCA Moneyline. Good night.